Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're at Daffy's Pet Boutique. And,
today we are at the cat room.
So, these are all the cats. This is Moo. This one back here, over here, this is Ashley. This one in this little hole right here. Kind of looking like our cat, Fred, if you've ever seen him in one of our videos. That's O'Malley. Can't remember the rest of the names, but our Aunt Hetty has a cat that looks like this one, and her name is Callie, but this is not Callie. This is not.
Definitely not.
But they're all sweet. O'Malley sometimes is super grumpy. And then this guy here was chilling in here with O'Malley one time. Please don't be grumpy.
Hey, kitty.
Ow! You're mean.
Hey, Moo. Hey, Moo.
This place is awesome.
You're mean.
What happened?
He scratched me. He caught me. But it didn't like scratch me. Who are you?
He's not feeling it. Give him some space. Hi.
This is Ashley.
Hey, Moo.
She's so pretty.
Hey, Moo.
Hi, Ashley.
How are you, Moo?
Sometimes Ashley is a little grumpy because if, when cats get on when you hold them, and here, when the workers try to hold Ashley, Ashley tries to claw them in the arm.
You little grunt butt.
Grunt butt. Wait. I just stepped on a cat.
You better be careful. Which one is that, Avi?
This one?
Mm-hmm.
I forgot her name. I forget most of the names.
Let's call this one Pumpkin.
You can't just call them just any name. They have names.
Yeah. I remember she was one of my babies. But Ashley and Moo were my babies. Moo.
Hi, handsome.
Ashley was just a second.
Look.
And then Moo.
Okay, so here are all of the beds that the cats sleep in. Or they could sleep in here. Because there's like 1,000 cats in here, so yeah.
There's not 1,000 cats.
And...
Moo. Ow.
Are you okay?
No.